My last video accidentally cut off, but I was literally teaching you guys how to drive out here. Now this one is in Ontario and going to Rancho. Again, the $13 doesn't match the amount of time it's gonna take, and I don't want to go down to Ontario and pick up somebody. Ontario's down here, by the way. I don't want to pick up somebody from Ontario down here and then drop them over here. What I'm trying to do is, if you watched my last video, I'm trying to go this way and then come down to Ontario International Airport. Okay, look, a lot of guys follow me, right? So if you're ever out here, I want you to memorize this location right here. I want you to come right here. Tropicali Showgirls. And then you can thank me for this. Look, some of the most beautiful girls are at this location. And how do I know? Me and my boys, we used to come out here. And I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Trust me, there's things that I can't say on YouTube, but this place is a secret hotspot for men. And if you understand what I'm saying, just come out here and try it out. Some of the most beautiful girls are over here. Now, I can't deal with women right now. I got to make my money first, right? And I can't afford to be out here as an Uber driver. But I was driving, I was making a video. I was like, you know what? Let me let my boys know. If you're ever in Claremont, go to Tropicali Showgirls. Don't read the reviews. Just go there and try it out for yourself, and then let me know in the comments. Say, hey, Ahmed, thank you. And bring some cash. Bring at least $200 cash. So this surge right now, not surge, but the dollar signs, it's already letting us know that this is the hot spot, right? I can't see it, but this is where we're going to end up. Now I think the traffic has died down, so I'm going to quickly go there and stop stalling. So basically, I've set my destination to go there. It's showing about 15 minutes, 8 miles away, and look, all the traffic is gone, right? So yeah, I took my time. Yeah, I made my videos, and I showed you a little bit about Claremont. I showed you about the colleges, and I told you about a secret spot that we know. And now we can get there and see if it was all worth it. And I hit that spot to slingshot out towards my house, see if I can get a ride. And the reason why I know so much about this location is I grew up here. Like Claremont, Upland, Ontario, Rancho Cucamonga, Chino, Pomona. This is my neighborhood. I literally grew up out here. I went to high school in Glendora. Yeah, this is my area. So I know all these streets. Like I know all the stores. I know all the food places. In fact, if you want to know some good food places to eat out here, let me know. I can break it down for you. And crystal shops. If you want to know where the best crystal shops are, there's one on Foothill and there's one on Central where I'm at. If you want to get some crystals. Great guys, great shops. That's where I used to get my stuff from. Oh, green light. Here we go. All right, my friends, there it is. Look, I got close to Ontario Airport. The wait lot decided to show up. Go figure. But notice the app is off. All right, we are here. I'm double checking my settings. Comfort and Connect are going to be on, and we want to make sure pets are off, deliveries are off, and X and XL is on. Okay, now we'll turn the app on and see. Oh, hold on, before I turn it on, hang on, where's the freaking queue? Oh, there it is. I want to see what time the flights are landing. There you go. Ah, god damn it. Okay guys, this is a problem. It's showing 10 o'clock. I'm not going to wait till 10 because I like to wake up early in the morning, right? Oh, why is it all foggy? Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm not going to wait till 10 o'clock. What I'll do is right now, if you look at the time up here, it is 7:43. I will give it about 30 minutes to nail $15 going towards my house. Even if it's not going towards my house, and it's somewhere going north and south and close enough, I'll take it, and then I'll call it a night. But I don't think I want to wait past 8:30. Yeah, but 8 o'clock is showing 6 flights, 9 o'clock is showing 2, and it's 7 right now. So if flights came a little bit late, let's see what happens. Let's turn it on, see where we are in the queue, and I'll do a little bit of work and keep you guys posted. But this is literally how I drive. It's the end of the night. I'm good enough with 186. It's Friday. It's slow. Everyone on the WhatsApp group is saying it's slow for everybody. If I can get lucky and nail 15, 20 bucks going towards home, that would be awesome. If I wait till 10:30 at night, I will definitely get it. But to sit here for 2-3 hours after I've already been working 12 to 14 hours, it's not cool. And plus, I'd rather get up at 4 in the morning and drive, or 5 in the morning and drive. So the longer I stay here, the less chance it is for me to get up early in the morning. Although it is Saturday, I don't mind sleeping in once in a while, but we'll see. I will keep you guys posted. And this is an awesome comment. And by the way, you want to check out Voltic_rider. He has his own YouTube channel, and he's an awesome Uber driver from Dallas, from what I remember. Okay, look at what he wrote. Congrats on the 500 subs. Great work on your YouTube channel. I appreciate that. He's been with me from the beginning. For the last few months, we've been talking. Once in a while, he'll give me a tip, but he always checks in every few days and comments and says what's up. I actually got to go check out his channel and see if he posted anything. But he's a cool guy. You should search it. Voltic_rider. See if you can find him on YouTube, and just check out his channel. I'm not going to tell you what it's about, but it's pretty interesting. It's different. His channel doesn't show Uber, but he shows something that a lot of people are interested in right now. And we have one more person that is going to join my WhatsApp channel. That's Jamie9331. He just sent me a text. I'm going to add him to my WhatsApp group, and we're having fun. If you're not on my WhatsApp group, let me know. It doesn't matter where you're from, right? Most of us are from LA, San Diego, Los Angeles. There's a few from Miami. But join my WhatsApp group. We sit there, we talk, we chat, we talk strategy, and we pump each other up. And if LAX is busy or someplace is hot and I'm there, I let everybody else know, just in case they're close enough, they can turn their app in that direction and come make their money. The ideal situation is LAX. When LAX is hot, I want to let everybody know in that group. I just did a quick check. Uber Comfort changed, which is nice, which means a flight is here, and the queue is moving. That's always nice to keep the queue moving over here. This is everyone that's in the group so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us. And I'm going to add Jamie right now. Boom. 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 That's how we do it, my friends. One at a time. Okay, there you go. Look, Jamie has been added to the WhatsApp group, and we're slowly growing. So today in the group, we just talked a little bit. I showed them a video. A couple of guys were talking about some other stuff, and right now I'm literally just catching up and see what I missed out on. So it looks like Adam wrote something here. Jeeves, a new way to earn money in driving. That's kind of cool. We'll check that out. And Mark was basically telling us over here, Uber is only sending me trash on the rare occasions. They usually send me something good. I'll take a break and work later, right? So he's letting us know that San Diego is slow, and he's giving us examples of that, right? So it's basically slow for everybody on a Friday. Over here, Mark was complimenting some of the videos that I posted. And, you know, listen, guys, everybody can use a little bit of encouragement, right? This is what I want you guys to understand. This WhatsApp group is for drivers and a community and a tribe, and for us to keep in touch on a daily basis. Not only do we talk about Uber, but we also talk about our personal lives. I was at Big Bear. I was showing people videos of Big Bear Lake today, and look at that. Mark is encouraging me. Great video today. And trust me, it helps, right? It's all to boost each other up. When it's slow, we still encourage each other. Right there, YouTube, a Magic Ride Miami posted a video, and he has a new YouTube channel, and he was asking us to comment and like and subscribe. And I don't know how many people did that, but I definitely did that to help him out. And I watch his channel every single day now and encourage him. And this right here is his channel, in case you guys want to search for him. Magic Driver Hub, at Magic DRVHUB. Go ahead and find him and just subscribe and help him out. You know, we're all one team. Over here, I was giving him some feedback on what he can do to change his name and make it a little bit simpler and easier to read, right? So I'm always giving feedback whenever people ask, right? This is the group. This is Frank. I recently added him. Frank is from I believe San Diego area. This is the picture that I took at Big Bear today, and I uploaded it to the group. And here's the video that I uploaded to the group, just to kind of show them what it's like, how gorgeous it was in Big Bear today. Well, that's probably coming out all funky right now. Anyways, enough about this. Let's see what Uber has to offer. Oh, nothing changed. That's okay. We're gonna keep checking. And you know what? Might as well upload this video because it's already 11 minutes long.